for step 2. Apologies to Steve Wallace, because I know step 2 is supposed to be after camp is set up, but I have a couple of needs to take care of. Number 1, I'm very thirsty. Number 2, I need this can for a project. You may recognize that this is not my normal drink of choice, especially this size. I don't know what you call this. This is a tall boy. I call him tall boy. But anyway, I bought this size for a specific reason, which you'll see in a little bit, but I need to drink it down because I need the can. Darn. Running out of daylight, so I need to accelerate matters a little bit. All right, now this is something you usually see a Scout project, but they use Pringles cans. We're adults here, so we're gonna use a beer can. Let's try to not stab ourselves too badly. Oh, this seems stabby. But I've never seen anybody use a beer can, so I don't know if this is gonna work. And it is like 3:30 and partly cloudy. So, as typical when I try and solar cook, the sun does not cooperate. There we go. Oh, still a little beery in there. Let's see, did that get a good amount of sun? Oh, that's actually pretty good. I can get all the beer out. That might work. All right, I probably should have stabbed this part first. Nope, definitely should have stabbed it before I cut it. Oh gosh, this is a really bad idea. Let's turn this, make it a skewer holder. Yeah, there's not a whole lot of light coming through there, but we're gonna, oh man. And there's a cloud. So for safety's sake, we're using a fully cooked hot dog so we don't die. And then just to keep the bugs off and maybe retain some heat. Can you tell I've never done this before? There we go. Yes, we are getting the sun's rays. I still need to finish the rest of it. All right, it's 3:37. See how much daylight we can get. Check in on our hot dog, and yeah, there's no sunlight. None. So I keep moving it around, but there is none right now. Cold as ice. The sun is back, and we're actually starting to see a little glisten on this glizzy. That might be all she wrote for our solar hot dog. It is 5:06, and the sun is behind a cloud. We do have some fogginess happening in here, so maybe it got a little warm. Let's see how we did. Yeah. It's not freezing cold, but it's definitely not warm. So verdict, potential, maybe on a sunnier day. So I think I'm just gonna finish this guy off on the grill. $12:53, and it's reading 95 outside, 51 degrees inside the dog. Though my watch says it's 99 degrees outside right now. See, it might not have warmed up yet. 98 and 53. It has been 1 minute. 12:55, so less than 2 minutes, and 101 outside, 57 already in the hot dog. Okay. 10 minutes. Woohoo! 114 on the counter, though. Local weather says it's only 100, and 80 in the hot dog already. All right, it's been about 30 minutes. Oh my gosh, let's see. 123 inside the hot dog, and it's fogged up. The outdoor one has aired out. But my watch says it's 101. All right, so it has been nearly an hour, and I think we have plateaued. That temperature has not moved from 132 in a few minutes now, so that's about as good as we're gonna get. But since this is a fully cooked hot dog, it should be fine. The only question is it warm? A little tan on the backside. There we go. Definitely warm in the center. That is as hot as if you put it in a pot of water. Yeah, there we go. So that is a success. Unfortunately, I need another can for part 2 of dinner. Darn. How much are in here? It looks like at least 2 beers. Like every one is 2 beers. So if I drink all 3 that I have, I'll have drank a 6-pack. Oh my God. I don't need to drink the whole thing, just part of it. There we go. Sweet, that should be enough. More sausage? Yes. Whoop. Oh my gosh, why is it foaming? All right, to the fire with ye. All right. I didn't feel like it was getting hot enough on the grate, so I put it right down there in the fire pit. Well, now the sun comes back out. Now that bad boy's going. Yeah. Oh yeah. I just gotta finish her off on the grill. There's some King's Hawaiian rolls, little sweet buns. There you go. No peppers for you, bub. I'll give you some sausage though, or some hot dog. Do not even think about it, sir. Leave it. A ween, and a ween. So many wieners. Experiment time again. Experiment time again. All right. I'm doing this totally from memory. So. I saw one of my Korean camping ladies do this. Gotta make a shoot like that. I don't know. A lot of oil. Let's just put oil on top. I don't know, maybe a teaspoon. Oh, it still smells like beer. I'm going for like a tablespoon. Did I measure it? Absolutely not. Is there still room for our whole basket? Yes. All right, let's try this. Sizzling sounds. Gunther, where are you going, bub? think that there's still beer in there, and that's the problem. It's like boiling the kernels. Yep, I'm seeing a lot of foam. So I think I'm gonna empty this out, try it over again. All right, take two. Oh, that's not like top. Oh. Popping, they're just not coming out. I think my can's too tall. Alright, oh, it's starting to smell like burnt popcorn now. Nobody likes that. Oh man. Mmm. That looks good. Alright, this one also needs work. A little too much oil. And I need to cut the spout lower. But I'm out of cans, so. Wow, that's quick. Is that everybody? Oh, there's still some more in there. I think that's everyone. All right.